Introducing the 2010 Hyundai Genesis Coupe. Hyundai made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Hyundai prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including one-touch window functionality, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, and cruise control. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.